Yaki Khubor Ka Batesi TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Namar ke Khot Jingïalang ka tourism juhulum yaki kinhun kibe yo jimentoy naga kam jungo kai perthai keseng o khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association klapin e pakat omtre satya bani shimbinta hagani ka Jingïalang kumta ka tourism kan sa Khot no yaki lakajong hakoi pat kasngi kibe paki kinhun kiblawan ka Jingïalang kiblalong State Convention Center ki kinthop yikinong penya jigi hotel guest house ki taxi association berkum juru ki tour guide.
So this was the first meeting of the committee formed by the government on 25th September to address the grievances of these association, right? So we had invited all the tourism stakeholders. One of the terms of reference of the committee was that we should consult all the tourism stakeholders. So we have consulted, we have called all the tourism stakeholders, including hotel operators, including taxi associations, including tour operators, tour guides, others. So all of them came and gave some valuable suggestions. We have asked them to give their suggestions in writing. And this is just the first meeting. So we'll be having other meetings also. 3 of the tourist taxi associations have come today. That is the Meghalaya Tourist Transporters Association, All Shillong Tourist Taxi Drivers United Organization, and the Khasi Hills Tourist Taxi Association. The others didn't come, including the one where Badoling is the president. I think they've already come to the press, no? So they wanted a separate meeting. So we will do that. No, they wanted to have a separate meeting, right?
Okay.
So we will call others also. There's no issue. We just finished this meeting, so we'll go back and issue the notice very soon. See, the suggestions were varied. We are examining each suggestion. Right. So one of the suggestions was, for example, that some of the private vehicles are being used as taxis. So we told the DTO, please check. In fact, we told the associations that if you have any information that certain private people are using private vehicles as taxis, right? And this is genuine in the sense that for those who are having taxis, why should they suffer? Because private people cannot run taxis. That's illegal. So we told the associations, if you have specific information, please give it to the DTO, and DTO will ensure that they will carry out an inquiry, and we'll also pass on the message to the district administration. See, this is the first meeting, right? So we have told all the stakeholders concerned, please give your suggestions in writing. We are waiting for the suggestions. Accordingly, we'll decide. We'll have other meetings. We'll meet the other associations also. And we'll take it forward. Accordingly, then I can comment. As soon as possible.